Alright, picture this. Jesse Livermore, the OG Wall Street beast, time travels to 2025. What's he investing in? AI? Nuclear energy? Bitcoin? Nah, probably not Bitcoin. But let's find out what he'd be betting on in this roller coaster of a market. The stock market's been wilder than a reality TV show. AI stocks went to the moon and then got a little dizzy on the way down. Geopolitical tensions? Supply chain chaos? Trade wars? It's like the world hit hard mode in 2025. So, what's Livermore doing in this madness? Let's dive into how the legendary trader would navigate today's market. 1. Who was Jesse Livermore? Before we get into his 2025 strategy, let me hit you with a quick history lesson. Jesse Livermore wasn't just any trader, he was the trader. Dude shorted the market so hard in 1929, he basically called the Great Depression before anyone else. He was the Michael Jordan of stock trading. He played by his own rules, reading market trends like a psychic with a Bloomberg terminal. One of his most legendary quotes? The market never changes because human nature never changes. People will always be greedy, scared, and bad at timing their trades. Now, let's see where Livermore would be putting his money in 2025. 2. The 2025 market, a wild ride. 2025 is like a Hollywood blockbuster. The AI revolution pumped up stocks, then boom, market correction. Global tensions? Every country is out here playing economic dodgeball. US versus China, Russia versus the West, oil fights, resource battles. It's a full-on economic UFC match. Livermore would have loved this volatility. Chaos creates opportunities, my friends. The yield curve flipped like a pancake. Historically, that's a recession warning. Livermore? He would have seen this and gone, yep, time to short something. AI stocks went parabolic, then took a well-deserved nap. But don't sleep on AI, it's still the future. Livermore would be waiting for the perfect re-entry. 3. Where Livermore would bet big. With all this geopolitical drama, defense stocks are looking juicier than a medium-rare steak. Cybersecurity? Let's be real, hackers are working harder than ever. Livermore would have been all over companies like Palantir and CrowdStrike. Oil wars? Forget about it. The future is nuclear, baby. SMRs, small modular reactors, are the next big thing, and uranium companies like Cameco are making moves. Livermore loved betting on emerging trends, and this one's got long-term winner written all over it. AI is the new electricity, everything's gonna run on it. Semiconductors? They're the backbone of AI, so Livermore would have been riding this wave like a pro surfer. Buy the dips, ride the trends, that's the Livermore way. 4. What Livermore would avoid. Interest rates are still sky high, and mortgages? They cost more than a private jet lease. Commercial real estate? Don't even get me started. Livermore wasn't about that slow-moving game. When people tighten their wallets, they're not splurging on fancy sneakers or expensive lattes. Inflation's got prices higher than Snoop Dogg, and retailers are feeling the squeeze. Livermore would have said, nah, I'll pass on that. Banks and traditional finance? They're in a weird spot. If the Fed cuts rates, bank profits take a hit. If they don't, loan demand drops. Livermore? He would have side-eyed this sector and walked away. 5. But hold up, Livermore wasn't always right. Now, let's keep it real. Livermore was a genius, but even geniuses mess up. He made and lost multiple fortunes. The man loved risk, and sometimes risk hit back. Just because he would have bet on something in 2025 doesn't mean it's a guaranteed win. Investing is a game of probabilities, not certainties. Always do your research. 6. Wrapping it up. So, if Jesse Livermore were investing in 2025, he'd be riding trends in defense, energy, and AI, while avoiding real estate and traditional finance like they were bad exes. Could you trade like Livermore? Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's keep making smart moves together. Investment disclaimer and accuracy notice. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. The information presented is based on reliable sources, but its accuracy and completeness cannot be guaranteed. Always consult a professional financial advisor before making investment decisions.